guys, this is Helly from Tree and Flame Duck, and you're welcome to subscribe to my channel about Tree and Flames, love, relationships, soulmates, and spirituality. And you can like this video, don't forget. And I want to share with you something about angel numbers. If you're quite spiritual, evolved, and if you're a little bit connected, and if you had some ascension process lately and you like started to be more spiritual, you probably noticed that there's some certain thing that happens to you. It's like you always see numbers, okay? Like 1111, 2222. And I remember that when I started seeing these numbers, it was quite before I met my twin flame. It began to be like crazy. Like every day I see, especially 000 and also 1111 it was mostly. But it was like, I mean, the first time it happens to you, like, okay, 0000, okay, I'm working at midnight. It can be. And then again, and then I know you just look at some bus or you look at some sign outside the street and you just see these numbers, and I started wondering what's all about, and then I realized that it means that you have some angelic um, presence of your guidance, and it means that you walk in the right path, and each number has its own interpretation. So once you get in on the right path in your life and in your soul path, you will start seeing some numbers. And I remember that once I read about the angelic numbers, I was like, okay, but how can I see them? And I'm working usually with my phone and my laptop, and it's like, I know, I'm looking at my phone exactly the same second, or I just open it to get to call someone, then I see this number. And no, it doesn't have to be always one. I mean, the numbers, they can be 0000, whatever. Each combination or each number, it can be 1212. I mean, but the minute that there's some repetitive pattern, you can see it and you just know, you just feel that it's not another number that you see. And it's like, I know why I picked up the phone to call exactly at 22:22 or at 13:13 and such as. But once you get in, I know, as much as I'm getting evolved spiritually, I'm like I'm like getting it much more. I mean, I always see that, and sometimes I know it happens to me many times when I don't know, working on something and wondering with myself, is it right for me? Is it even in my business? And it's like I'm asking the question in my mind, then I'm just looking at the computer at the time or at my phone, and it's like 1111 or 1880 or something like that, and then okay, I'm good, I'm okay. And even having doubts about relationships and people I've been with, and like wondering, is it right for me? And then I don't know, waking up in the middle of the night and looking at my phone, seeing I don't know, 222 or something like that, and or 444, whatever. And you can search. There's a lot of websites that says the meaning of angelic numbers. Just write angelic numbers, and the number, it usually phrases like whether it's the same number repeat 4 times, or two numbers that repeat in a pattern like 1212, 3434. I can give you some certain things that I had. They usually said that the numbers 1111 is related to twin flames. When my twin flame been here last week, I just got to see 3 times the numbers 1111. It was amazing, like in my phone, like I was looking exactly this minute, and I wasn't thinking about it at all. But it's like I pick up the phone to call someone, and like 1111, like 1111, what's going on here? And prior to a meeting, I used to see a lot of 0000, and I noticed that when I'm in an emotional mood, I'm getting 2222 or 333 or 13, and it's like once I'm down and I'm seeing these numbers, like I know, okay, I'm not alone. And you can ask for help from your guidance, and you can ask your angels to be with you and to give you signs, and you just see them, whether it's on TV. I know, I can't explain it. It's like, or you open some, I know, something in the supermarket where you're buying and you just see it. The numbers are like jumping out for you. And I don't know, I'm using it as some sort of signs from the universe to know that I'm on the right path. And another thing I wanted to share with you, when my grandmother, she's been in a hospital before she died, and I came to visit her, and I just knew, I felt that was her last day. And I told everyone, okay, I'm staying with her. She's not gonna make it through the night. And everyone were like, no, you're crazy. I know it. I feel it. And I've been channeler for years, and I can contact higher entities. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna stay with her. I remember they even brought my bag in advance in my car. So I went to take the car, was standing waiting for the elevator, and looking at my phone, it was like 1717. I said, okay, I'm quite sure this is not coincidence. And I was Googling 1717, the meaning in angelic numbers, and was like, when your soul have a mission to help others and to show them the way, to to help them through something with unconditional love, something like that. I was like, okay, she needs me here and I'm gonna do it. And we had the most amazing night together. And she passed away the day after, but she lost her conscious around 3 a.m. And I'm very glad I've been there. But it was like a message from the universe. I remember everyone around were doubting me and like, no, you're not gonna stay with her. We'll find someone to stay. And I was like, I felt inside that I need to be there. And these numbers were the confirmation for me. So true, if you're seeing this video, you're just gonna see more numbers around you, okay? So just try to ask, I know, signs from the universe, like, is this right for me? Is this the right person, the right job, the right project, whatever? And you'll get the signs from the universe. They're coming really, really fast. So that's all I have to say right now. Um, they say usually, as I said, 1111 comes when related to a twin flame, but I had many occasions, even with other partners, that I've seen the 1111. I'm just looking at it like, I don't know, they have some presence here for my guidance, and I know they are with me. And each time these numbers are shown, it usually happens after I'm doing something. So it's like confirmation that I'm on the right way. And there's times that I know I'm seeing 2323 or 87, whatever. And I'm just feeling inside that I need to check it. And then I'm getting the message through the explanation that I'm finding on Google. So do whatever you feel. And I'll be glad if you subscribe or press like for this video. And you're welcome to share it. And thank you for being with me. I'm Helly and Twin Flame Dog. Okay, bye bye.